Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino, in North Carolina. So Jada and I had a really good night. We didn't use any of the heaters, my little portable fire pit, none of that during the night, but we woke up. Jada got me up at like 7 to take her out to the restroom. And it was about 28 degrees last night. Here she is. It was like 28 degrees last night, so I used the heater this morning. Now she wants to get down. She literally wanted to be put in this thing, but now she wants to get down. She sees toys. All right, girl. Go. Shake her out. So I'm going to make some coffee because I need some coffee. So I'm going to make some coffee. And I'm not sure what breakfast I'm going to make. I have quite a bit of different breakfast options this morning. But yeah, I'll figure it out. See y'all in a few. Girl, hush. These people ain't bothering you. Hush. I don't like your little bark. Jada. Could you not? Just eat your treat. Let's see what's going on out here. Nothing. Here I am trying to clean. And Miss Ma'am just wants to play. So I put away the groceries that I bought yesterday. The fridge just turned on if you hear that. But yeah, I put away my groceries from yesterday. That's a little trash bin. But now I'm starting to make my bed because I said I'm going to start making my bed whenever I'm in Dom. So I'll be able to get in a nice, freshly made bed. So that's what I'm about to do now, if Jada will allow it. Looks like she wants to play, but it's a trail here at this park, so I just want to get Dom nice and road ready and just chill a bit and then take Jada out on the trail for maybe like 30 minutes and then come back, relax a little bit more, and then get on the road. I found a spot for tonight, but you'll see that later. I just want to make the bed. I just want to make the bed. I just want to make the bed. Alrighty, so it's 11:36 and I think I'll walk for about 30 minutes or so. It's a trail right up here, and just maybe hopefully tire Jada out some. That will help. So it says no bicycles allowed on trail. Sweet. I don't have one. This is your first trail, Jada? What? Literally a trail right by Dom. How lucky. Okay, I'm coming. Sorry for the wobbly shakes. Jada is pulling. The bluff loop. Oh, and there's the campground, so easy enough. Let's go this way. I guess I always go right because I'm right-handed. Come on. Come on, Jada. Are you nervous? Come on, let's go. out here. I'm happy because she's enjoying herself. And hopefully we'll have a good drive this afternoon. The place that we're going is like maybe 130 miles away. So it's like 2 hours and some change in Dom. And I don't know if I said this before, but Domino doesn't have a governor on her. Like, she can go normal speeds, but I get the best gas mileage when I just cruise at 65 miles per hour. So yeah, we just go cruise it out at 65 miles per hour and get there when we get there. I don't have to check out of here until 3 o'clock, but I want to make it to the campsite in a decent enough time, you know, to look around. But yeah. How pretty. Ew, it's muddy right here, girl. Let's go up this way. Yeah. Ew. I just slipped, but y'all didn't see it. Haha. I literally have the camera in between some trees. I just want to get some pictures. No, Jada. Alrighty, so I just got the approval for my campsite. I just went through a new app. I'm gonna put it below because honestly I can't remember the name right now. But this app, basically, it seems like a Airbnb, but for camping. So this person has their own land and they have designated these different spots for primitive camping. Some spots they have electrical hookup and all that stuff, but I don't need it in Dom. So we're just going to do the primitive camping. And they had an option for like eggs, like you can buy some eggs from the farm. You can buy firewood. They have like mineral water for sale and stuff like that. So that's cool. So I just got the approval. So that's where Jada and I will be going this evening. Yeah. Seems like we're walking through like a magical forest. I bet it's so freaking pretty in the summertime or spring. Look at, it's just pretty. If all the trees had their leaves and they weren't so naked, all exposed, showing their goodies. You good, girl? Okay, let's go. Every time I put this camera up, I feel like at any moment in time, I'm gonna say, hee hee. Come on, let's go. I know it looks weird going down. Wait. Miss ma'am, walk please. Put one paw in front of the other, and soon you'll be walking across the bridge. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Keep going. Yes. Wait, little one. Oh, wow. Jada, no ma'am. So I had to stop and get on Google because I did not even bother to look and see how long this trail is. So this trail is 3 miles long, and baby, that is not about to happen. So we about to loop right back around. I don't even know how long we've been walking for, but I haven't eaten breakfast. I brought a banana, some water, and a granola bar. But Jada girl, come back. Yeah, we ain't doing no 3 miles. Oh no. Nuh-uh. Yup, about to turn right back around. Yeah. Looks familiar, right? Come on, Jada. Come on, girl. So we've been walking for an hour now. I know I said 30 minutes. I just was not paying attention to the time or how long we've been walking for. It's really pretty out here, so it's just like, you know, you just walking. Yeah. So I'm actually starting to get hungry. I already ate my little granola. I got me a salad waiting for me and Dom, so let's go. An hour and some change later, and we've made it back. Campground. I can see Dom through the trees. We are back in Dom, and I'm about to eat me a salad and then just rest, and then I'll pick you guys back up when we head to our next destination. Bye. Look at this. This doesn't happen often. Miss Jada is tired. She came in and laid right down. Oh, and that noise in the background is my infuser. This little white thing. Let me point to it. I can't, but that white thing there is my oil infuser. Oh, and it smells like lemongrass up in here. I just love it. But that walk, I might have to start doing that more often. Like, normally I just like throw the ball, but that tired her out. So yeah, I can eat in peace. Okay, I'll pick y'all up later. Okie dokie, so I just got off the expressway, and this is Cedar Creek Campground. They say it's like 1/4 of a mile of gravel road, so don't be alarmed. Like you're not gonna hear banjo music playing. But yeah. Oh, I see. These are the spots actually. See, there's 11 and I'm in 7, so I wasn't paying attention. So let me continue to look. Oh, actually, there's 6, there's 9, and here's 7. But I'm gonna see if I can find a spot with a little more sunlight. So I'm gonna loop around. So yeah, this is the spot. All of the area is really shaded, so we're just gonna stick in our spot, which is number 7. And yeah, let me check and see what my batteries look like. Luckily, I do have a backup battery pack, as you guys have seen plenty of times. So yeah, let me check my batteries and see what they look like. Okay, so that's good. Basically, it's at 12.6 volts, so probably when I wake up in the morning, it'll be maybe like 12.3 or 12.4, which is fine. So yeah, Jada and I are about to get situated. I'll let her out, go to the restroom, and then kind of like just get the area ready to like live in again. It's our spot, 7. We have a little pit. Looks like a little tiki torch is there. There's not much sun, which is fine. Batteries are cool. And here is the restroom right across the way. I'll be picking them spots, don't I? All right, so gosh, I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the leftovers again, like the last little bit of my Mexican food that I had the night prior. I'm just gonna go ahead and heat that up for dinner, and that is going to be it. And I guess this is where I'm gonna close off this video. Yeah, I actually had a really good time, and Jada is still like tired. She just ate her dinner and she's laying right back down, so that's cool. I just closed off another video. I was editing earlier, and yeah, So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if there's something you like. And I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Bye.